A Toyota 4Runner crashed into the Cybertruck as it was speeding and lost control on a curve and hit the truck. Thanks to FSD for avoiding a head-on collision with a Toyota 4Runner. The FSD instantly veered off the road when it sensed there was oncoming vehicle approaching fast on the wrong lane. The Cybertruck did its job of protecting the occupants, but the Toyota front end was heavily damaged. The Cybertruck luckily did not have much damage after the crash. The driver's side airbag was deployed after the impact. By the looks of the accident, the Toyota driver is at fault, not sure what he was even thinking taking a curve at such a high speed and losing control. The owner of Cybertruck was readying his truck for the Hurricane Milton as a power backup for his house during the storm, but unfortunately he will not have his truck until it gets repaired.